Moving to Hyderabad for a new job or just switch to a new gated community. One of the first things you'll need sorted is a bed, and buying one right after relocation makes zero sense. So does renting a bed actually make sense? Is it hygienic? What happens if you get transferred again in a year? Here's everything you need to know about bed on rent in Hyderabad in one video. Is renting a bed cheaper than buying in Hyderabad? If you're the kind of person who could get relocated again, which is common if you're in IT or working out of high-tech city, Gachibowli or financial district, renting almost always works out cheaper. A decent queen-size bed costs 15,000 to 25,000 upfront, add transport and eventually reselling it at a loss when you move again. With Rentomojo, bed rentals in Hyderabad start from 244 a month. No upfront hit on your savings, and when your company moves you to a different part of the city or a different city altogether, you're not stuck trying to sell furniture on OLX. Is the rented bed second-hand or used? This is usually the first concern people have, especially when moving into a new gated society and wanting things to feel fresh. Every bed on Rentomojo goes through inspection, refurbishment, cleaning, sanitization before it reaches your door. Anything damaged gets fixed or replaced before delivery, so you're not getting random discarded furniture. For select products, a brand new unit is also available. What's the minimum rental tenure for a bed in Hyderabad? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months, plans can go up to 36 months, and after that you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. That flexibility matters a lot if you're on short-term project or unsure how long you'll be based in Hyderabad. What if the bed gets damaged or needs repair? Normal wear and tear, small scuffs, minor scratches, you're not charged for that. If something stops working during your subscription, Rentomojo fixes or replaces it at no extra cost. You just raise a request on the app, no hunting for carpenters, no arranging spare parts yourself, only intentional damage gets charged at actual repair cost. What if you relocate within Hyderabad or to another city? This is exactly where renting becomes genuinely useful, especially if you're the kind of professional who gets moved between offices or cities every year or two. If you're relocating within the city or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo also helps with product relocation. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Mover. Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates. No rebuying furniture every time you move. Is there a security deposit? Yes, and it's fully refundable. No damage, no pending dues, you'll get the full amount back. If there's ever a deduction for major damage, it's communicated within 24 hours. If you opt for Mojo Secure, accidental damage and wear and tear are also covered, so your deposit stays protected. How fast is delivery and setup in Hyderabad? Once you book, delivery and assembly are handled end-to-end. You don't even need to lift a screwdriver. Especially useful if you have just landed in a new apartment in areas like Kondapur or Madhapur and don't have time to coordinate carpenters between work and unpacking. Can you upgrade or extend the rental later? Yes. After 6 months, you can upgrade to a different bed of the same or higher value, say a storage bed if your space needs change. And when your tenure ends, you simply continue monthly or schedule a pickup, no selling, no storage headache. So to sum it up, bed rentals in Hyderabad start at 244 a month. Every bed is sanitized and inspected before delivery. Repairs are free during your subscription, and if you relocate, your bed moves with you. For anyone in Hyderabad's fast-moving IT and corporate crowd, that's a lot less stress than owning furniture you might not even keep for long. If you're setting up a new home in Hyderabad or just relocated for work, check out Rentomojo. Bed rentals start at just 244 a month.